Hi guys and welcome. My name is JB Rose, singing vegan mum. I'm a singer, I'm a vegan and I'm a mum, and I am here to talk to you about the sea. Teamseas. You're gonna go, what is she talking about? Teamseas, the sea. Well, before I carry on, let me tell you, like and subscribe. And here on this channel, I do lovely food videos, vegan of course, and also I'm a singer, so you'll see some beautiful soul music. You bring the sun out. Now, I wish the sun would come out because actually it's starting to rain, but I'm going to make this video regardless of the rain. So, why am I here? Why have I run to the camera? Why am I out of breath? Well, MrBeast and loads of other YouTubers have got together and we want to change the world. Yes, change the world. Why? How? We're going to change the world. Well, the sea. Full of plastic, not good for the environment, not good for the future. So we want you to join Teamseas and donate any dollars you can, $1, $5, any dollars you can. We aim to raise $30 million, $30 million, $30 million, so we can get 30 million pounds of plastic out of the sea, so that our environment will be healthier. I know it's only a drop in the sea, but it's the beginning, it's the start. If we don't start somewhere, when are we ever going to start? So guys, my contribution is this. I'm going to make a vegan fish cake without the fish, of course, because I'm a vegan and we want the fish to be happy. So this is how I made it.
Potatoes, peel, washing, finely chopped, boil, cool, chopped finely onions, mashed garlic, nori seaweed, homemade breadcrumbs, add turmeric for colour, chopped tofu, combine potatoes, tofu, mashed garlic, mashed onions, half the breadcrumbs, the seaweed, salt, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning. We're going to make them into patties. We're going to take our patties and we're just going to put in our breadcrumbs. Fry them or put them in the oven and bake them. Cashew milk, some cashew milk, corn flour, salt, mashed garlic, stirring, fresh or dried parsley.
Oh, thanks, Mum.
Oi!
So guys, that's how I made my fish cake. Listen, go over to Teamseas, donate, donate, donate. We want to clear the sea. We do not want it to be full of plastic. I can see all this plastic, little bits and pieces everywhere. Look, 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 look. Yeah? So this is the River Thames, the Essex part. Yeah? But if you look closely on the ground, there's plastic everywhere, especially little bits and pieces. And just imagine our fishes and all the little sea life are taking that in and dying and basically mashing up our world. So I'm really keen for us to donate $1, and so we can get 30 million pounds worth of plastic out of the sea all around the world. It's a great initiative. Let's support MrBeast. In fact, let's support ourselves. Let's clean up our seas. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Teamseas, guys, let's clean up this world. $30 million, 30 million pounds of plastic waste out of the sea. Let's do it.